Yes, I got this 2000 P Nico coin USA, and the backside, guys. Let's see. The backside, guys, are see it's gone the thing in here. Supposed to be there's like a building in here, and it's got it did not stamp all the way, so it's kinda error, and it's kinda has thin right here. Anyway, and has a different color too, cause where's that other one? I can have like this. See, we have kinda different color. See, and yes, see. I write down this many years ago, so I just went through today. So I just write down another right here. But I write down this. It's 5 cents, and nothing in there, and then right here is gone. The backside building is gone. Right there's gonna faded looking. We still taking stuff. We just did not print right. So 2010 in the building.